high-precision counting. It's developed an 8-track electronic counting machine. It's widely used in pharmaceuticals, food, hardware, chemicals, plastics, health products, and other industries. 7-inch full-color touchscreen. Machine is with human-machine interface. It's convenient operation. It can save 100 sets of working parameters, which is convenient for quick change of line and material. Orbital, dual-channel design, speeding up the counting speed. It can be applied to counting for different shape products. The counting head is overall lifting. It can realize the unlimited adjustment for the height of the bottle. The adjustable range is 50 to 250 millimeters. Dust protection cover to ensure that higher standard hygiene requirements are met. Equipped with conveying equipment to realize the docking with the front and rear equipment. Simple and elegant appearance. Precise and efficient counting. It is your priority for counting solutions.